I'm Chad Morin. I'm with Morin Tree Service. We're a large removal company here in Connecticut. We specialize in hazardous residential removal, taking trees down in tight spaces, and as a result we get a lot of awkward pieces, unmillable logs and material. Drew us to Woodcracker in the first place was to solve a wood processing problem we were having, bringing a lot of unchippable sized pieces home and having to pay to dump and get rid of them. This product allows us to process them, turn them into chips, which then get used for agricultural use and recycled in a lot of ways. With a 48-inch opening on the device, we're able to crack large diameter wood very easily. Upwards of 60 inches can be broken down further pretty simply and processed. Just last week in Glastonbury, Connecticut, cut down a 48-inch diameter white oak that was largely rotten, not used for saw boards. We were able to then process it, turn it into chips with the Woodcracker, and use it for agricultural use.